the first part of question number first, exercise 7.3. Question says, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are. Okay. Now the coordinate of the vertices are given to us of a triangle ABC, and we have to find its area. Okay. Now there is a formula to find the area of a triangle, and here the area is denoted by this triangle, small triangle, and this is known as delta. Okay. Now that will be equals to half. Now, how to remember this formula? Okay. Now, let me give you a trick here. This is how I used to remember when I was in school. So, the coordinate of this is x1, y1. The coordinate here are x2, y2. And the third is x3 and y3. So these are the coordinates. Now the first thing is I have to write x1 multiplied by x2 multiplied by x3. Okay, this is simple. Now I have already written the x coordinate, so I only left with this y coordinate. Now, when you have written for x1, so you have written for x1, in that case you have to subtract this minus this. Okay, and one thing is important, you have to go clockwise. So when I have written for x1, you have to subtract y2 minus y3. When you have written x2, so you have written for this coordinate, so you have to subtract this minus this. Make sure that you go clockwise. Okay, so when you have written for this, subtract this minus this, and when you have written for this coordinate, so subtract this minus this. So y3 minus y1. Now when we have written for x3, in that case again write y1 minus y2. So this will be the formula to find out the area. Okay, now what we have to do, first of all we have to memorize this formula as it is, or you can create your formula using this trick. Now we have to substitute the values and we'll get our answer. Now what was our what is our x1? It is 2 multiplied by what is our y2? It is minus 4. And what is our y3? It is 0. Plus our x2 is 2, because we have supposed that these are the coordinate for these 3 points. Now our x2 according to this is this one, which is 2, and this is y3, and our y3 is 0. So 0 minus y1, and our y1 is 3. And at last we have to multiply x3, and our x3 is minus 1 bracket y1, and our y1 is 3 minus y2, that is minus 4. Now solve this further. This will be half 2 multiplied by, this will be minus 4, because 0 when subtracted from any number, the same number will come as your answer. Similarly, when 0 minus something, again the same number will come as your answer. It will be minus 1, and it will be 3, and minus when multiplied it will be 4. Now solve this further. This will be minus 8, this will be minus 6, and this will be 4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 7. Now solve this further. Half will remain as it is, and inside the bracket 8 plus 6 is 14 and 14 plus 7 is 21. So it will be 21 upon 2 unit square. So because this is area, so the unit will be square. So minus 21 upon 2 unit will be the area formed by joining these three vertices. So this is how you can solve this question. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem in maths, you can directly contact us. Our phone number, email address and the WhatsApp number is given below in the description. Thank you.